Day 7 of Vlogmas. It is 6:51 and we woke up about 6:30. I just checked my Etsy and I've got like 6 orders overnight, so I need to do those before the school run. So it's 5 lots of cards, and then I've sold one of my doll heads as well. I collect like creepy doll heads and I've been selling them for a while. And then a few doll bodies as well. I've sold one of those. So yeah, I'll leave my Etsy down below. Plug, because it's Christmas and I may have the perfect gift for someone you love, or I may have the perfect card. I've definitely got the perfect card for someone you love. So yeah, that is the plan. I need to just wake my face up. I've just washed it, but I need to get my skincare on. I don't think I'm going to bother with proper makeup today because the weather forecast says it is going to shuck it down all day, because I think there's another storm coming. I think we had that storm Arwen, and I think we got another storm. I'm sure I saw on Twitter yesterday they were saying that there was another storm coming, so that's fun. I don't mind wet weather at all. Like, I'm definitely a winter and autumn baby. I much prefer the colder weather. I just really dislike school runs when it's fucking raining. Really dislike school runs when it's raining. My hair is an absolute state. I don't know where my hairbrush is. I don't know where anything is. I've just slightly tidied up my desk area because I couldn't actually get to my desk. All the eBay stuff that I'm selling is really stressing me out because I've got nowhere to put it. Like, last night it was just all blocking my radiator and my room was cold. So I was like trying to move some stuff, but I like genuinely just don't know where to put it all. So if you want to go on some eBay and see what I'm selling, see if there's anything you fancy buying, do that. I'll link that for you as well. Just to get it out my house. Everything starts at 99p. Don't ever put anything on buy it now. Everything starts at 99p regardless of what it is. If it goes for 99p, it goes for 99p. So be it. I do love eBay though, and Facebook. I'm well into it at the moment, like finding stuff, especially free stuff on Facebook. After finding that dresser, it's awesome. I got my desk from eBay for like 20 quid, and it's like a bureau with a big dresser on the top. And I got my wardrobe for 30 quid, a vintage one. It's all good. So I always have to remember to take my glasses off when I'm doing face stuff, because the amount of times I'll go like put it on and I've still got my glasses on, and then I'll make them smeary. So love, this is the Fenty Pro Filter. Is it the Pro Filter or the soft silk Pro Filter hydrating primer? And I've used it on here. I absolutely love it. It smells incredible, and I don't think I'm going to wear anything else on my skin today. Maybe a little tiny bit of bronzer, but I just like it for it makes you all glowy and lovely. Obviously I'm very puffy because I've not long woken up. I'm going to get my roller on it, but that's in the fridge. So I'm going to do these orders and I'll see you in a bit. The girls all found their elves this morning. They were all in their bedrooms apparently, which was very exciting for everybody. As they woke up, and I could hear little, like, you know how like 6-year-olds whisper when they're like, oh my god, they just make their voice sound different. That's what happens. So yeah. Morning. I've just been to the post office because I wanted to go before Ben went to work, because then I don't have to take any children with me and it's much easier. Posted my orders. It's now 8:15, so I've just got home, so I've got time to have another coffee before the school run. And then me and Foxy, I think we may have to go out later. I'm not entirely sure, but we may go to Sainsbury's or Asda, but I'll see you in a bit. Me and Foxy are back from the school run. Who just did a giant poop?
Giant poop.
You did, didn't you?
Hungry.
You're hungry? What do you want?
Hungry in here.
Hungry in where?
In here.
In where? There's nothing in that fridge for you, mister. Oh, you're so sad.
Hungry in here.
You're hungry in this cupboard? Well, this is the bar. So, you want a tequila? You want this? No. You can't have tequila. Don't you climb that, mister. Let's go find some food. Come on. What food do you want?
hang it in here.
Do you want some strawberries?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you sit down and Mummy get you some strawberries.
My tea.
Mummy's going to get you some. I've got to chop them up. You sit down with Gary and I'll get you some strawberries. I'm doing a little bit of a restock. All the lighting is here in here is rubbish. We are running low on macaroni, so I usually buy like a 3 kilo bag, but they didn't have any, so we just got a, what is this, a 1 kilo, so that'll do us for like a week or two. I am completely out of red lentils, so I've got a whole bag of those to put in here. We go through a lot of lentils because I add them to anything with mince, just because it adds extra protein and bulks them out, and you can't really taste them, and they're very, very cheap. Oh dear. Whole bag gonna fit in here. Ah! Lucy, that was not a good thing to do. Okay. I'm not gonna get the lid on. Balls! I need a different tub, and there's lentils everywhere. Wait there.
Oh, let's have some bubbles.
You gonna watch Mr. Tumble? Okay, baby. Oops. I have an array of Tupperware for this very thing. Am I gonna... That had just been on the top of my shelf. Let's pour them in. Much better. So yeah, that'll last us like a month probably. Because we do use a lot of lentils. Right, I've just made some soup. My next door neighbour gave me some leeks, so I'm making leek and potato soup. Just made myself some breakfast. It is 10 to 11, but this is totally worth the wait. This is just, look at that, that's just like amazing. I'm so excited to have that. I'm gonna get Mr. Fox to have a nap. I can't tell him that because otherwise he says no. I planned my food out for the day. Everything is planned and in my planner. Bloody cat's on the window out there. You see him? Bandit just. Oh boy! Oh, no, it's so hard to point when you. There you go. Bandit's there, and then Gary and Binks are on here as well. Little shits. I'm gonna go and eat my breakfast. You're not fighting the camera today. Good night. And kitty cats have all just had their lunch. I have just been editing and Gary was not helpful. Where are you, Gary? Climbing on my keyboard. Foxy is asleep still. Oh, he's now staring. So yeah, I can't remember if we showed you that the we bought that big box from B&Q to store stuff in, so we've got that now with all the kids' toys in it. The garden is an absolute shit show. All the stuff at the bottom of the garden, other than the canoe and the umbrella, is going in the skip. The poor chickens. We are moving. We're getting a run down the end for them with a proper roof on it. There's more rubbish around there to go in the skip. Yeah, and I can't actually remember if I've told you guys. I bought another caravan. I don't know if you can see it. Bought another caravan, didn't I? But I can't actually remember if I put it in a vlog or anything, or if I just... but this is a nice caravan. It's not a shit one. It's ready to go. We can go for holidays in it. We are painting the inside just to make it a bit brighter because it's got like that sort of 80s cupboards colour in it. It's not 80s, it's 2001, but it's just not the nicest colour inside, so we're going to paint it. But yeah, Ben's parents are going to sleep in it at Christmas, so they can spend Christmas with us, be comfortable and not have to sleep on sofas or anything, so they're going to sleep there, which is exciting. I've got a cookie over here that I'm going to have after my lunch, and I'm so excited. It's a Subway one, and it's white chocolate, but it's white chocolate and macadamia nut. And I don't even like white chocolate, but something about white chocolate and macadamia nut together, malicious. Just waiting for him to wake up. Oh, I think he might be awake. Hello? What doing? Was it a good nap? Was it a good nap? No, what was wrong with your nap? Cheeky boy. Cheeky boy. Where's that cheeky face? He's had like an hour and 10 minutes. Oh, Binksy's come to see you, Foxy. Binksy coming, Bandit's coming to see you too. Giving him a cuddle. Oh, nice cuddle. Let Binksy go. Oh, Binksy fall down. You're getting baby Bandit in for a cuddle. Be gentle with him. He's not squashing him, it just looks worse than it is. Did you give him a cuddle? Daddy was climbing on my computer.
Naughty baby pooper pants.
Naughty baby pooper pants. What does Foxy want for his lunchy today?
Train track.
Train track?
No.
You can't eat train track. Do you want crackers?
No.
Do you want beans?
No.
Oh, you're going to hide again. Where's Foxy gone? I can't see him anywhere. Where's Foxy gone? Where's Foxy gone? Where's Foxy gone? Oh no, I can't see him anywhere. Oh, boo. Who did that?
No.
Should we make some lunch? Yeah. Mika got a parcel today. Ganosaurus? Mika! You got a new backpack. Is there anything in it? I think there is. Oh, that is an awesome hat. And a cup. I think that's to put your pencils in. That's so cool, Mika. It says it's reversible. Wow, wait a sec. Wow. Try your hat on. Mika! Do you love it? You put all your pencils in here for drawing. And a cool backpack. Because Mika is a junior gunner, because we are Arsenal fans. And we're very sad about what happened last night, but we'll get over it. Arsenal lost last night, Mika. Everton had 2 goals disallowed and then they still beat us. You happy?
Yeah.
You gonna show Daddy?
Yeah.
So Mika got a really cool hat from Ganosaurus. Ben is attempting to get Fox out of the bath. Everyone's had a bath, but Fox does not want to get out. And I thought I would open box of goth, and it says, number 7, be careful when opening. If it sounds or feels broken, please do not open. So it's glass. What do you think it is, Mika?
And a skull glass and candle holder.
Skull glass candle holder. That's quite a solid guess, Mika. You have seen lots of box of goth though, haven't you? So you know what kind of things we get in them.
Well, that's one.
Mika! It's a skull glass candle.
That's right.
You was right.
What?
That is cool. Look. It's a melted skull. That is super
I
cool.
didn't know that.
How did you know that? Do you think your hat is magic?
Yeah. I wear it all the time.
You're gonna wear it all the time?
Yeah.
You can turn this bit up as well as if you want. Look, come here. Come here. Come here. Lean forward a little bit. Come here. You're so awkward. Come here. You can turn these up as well. Take that reversible tag off like that. So you can have it turned up like that if you like. Oh, let's take off the tag as well. You like it? So you can have it turned up like that so you can see a little bit of red, or you can have it like that.
Yeah.
So cute. Aria's over there and she's naked. Go get dressed, little miss.
I'm going to Daddy.
Go show Daddy.
No sand bath.
Daddy.
You hear Ben arguing with Fox. No stand bath. No stand bath. So yeah, nothing else is happening today. It's been a really, really quiet day. So I apologise about that. But again, it is shit weather here in the UK at the moment. We're in the midst of a storm and it is like icy wind. So we literally can't even go out for walks or anything. It's so cold. But yeah, that's it for today, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll see you soon. We'll see you tomorrow, won't we? Oh, who's that little soggy boy? Let me see that little soggy boy. Where is he? Did you have a bath? Were you a good boy? Did you splash Daddy? Well done. Right, I'll see you tomorrow.